The latest breakthrough in virtual reality lets players feel like they are walking when they're actually not moving at all. While virtual reality is quite popular, it still doesn't allow players to fully immerse themselves in the game they're playing. The platform, made from aluminum springs and wood plates, hopes to change that and vibrates when a person moves around in the virtual world. Researchers at the University of Tokyo in Japan hooked 40 people up with VR headsets and divided them into two groups. One group saw their character in the first person and the other group in the third person. The platforms were placed at each participant's feet and it vibrated whenever their character walked in the game. Results showed that for the most part, a walking avatar in the first-person perspective made the player in real life feel as if they were walking as well. Researchers hope their findings help enhance people's VR experience at home for a few $100.